Hi, welcome back again. Today we will be focusing on the different spelling patterns of the Z sound. The Z sound has more than three different spelling patterns. So now I'm going to start explaining them in details. The Z sound can be written as Z, as in zoo. It can also be written as double Z, as in buzz. The Z sound can be written as S, as in bags, and I'm going to explain this soon. The sound Z can be written as S2, but the S that is placed between two vowels, as in rose. The Z sound can be even written as X, as in xylophone. So now, in order to understand this patterns thoroughly, now let's move to see the details. The Z sound is always written as Z, as in zoo, zip, zero, zebra, and zookeeper. The letter Z always make the sound Z. Now let's see the second different pattern of the Z sound. The Z sound can also be written as double Z, as in buzz, fizz, jazz, puzzle, and fuzzy. Let's see the different spelling pattern. The Z sound can be written as S. But before we read the words, I would like to show you when we read the Z, when we write the Z sound as S. Okay, if the S is final after a voiced sound, so the G in bag is voiced sound. The D in hand is voiced sound. The V in love is voiced sound. The Z in prize is voiced sounds. The N in rain is voiced sounds. And the vowel A, the vowel sound A is a voice sound. So we need to ask ourselves, what are the vowel sounds? The voiced sounds. The voiced sounds are the sounds that when we make, we hear vibration. Okay, so these are the voiced sounds: da, ba, da, ga, va, za, l, ma, na, ra, ya, wa, and the letter U when it makes the vowel sound. So let me read: bags, dogs, hands, beds, loves, prizes, rains, plays. As you can hear, the S makes the sound Z, but only if it is at the end of the word and preceded by a voiced sound. Now let me go to the last spelling pattern of the sound Z. So now look at this. V refers to vowel. So if there is a vowel plus S plus vowel, or if the letter S located between two vowels, the S here makes the sounds okay. As I read: rose, music, reason, visit, busy. So in rose, the letter S is located between two vowels. In music, the letter S is located between two vowels. In reason, the letter S is located between two vowels. And so is visit and busy. So when the letter S comes between two vowels, it usually makes the sound. By now, I have come to the end of my class for today. Till I see you, goodbye. This is me from English Bridge Academy.